Okay, so you're researching YouTube tags. Dwayne here with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and in this video, I want to talk to you briefly about the importance of implementing YouTube tags or keywords in every single video that you upload. As a matter of fact, using YouTube tags can allow you to get more views, and more views normally lead to more subscribers. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video today. We're going to be talking about YouTube tags. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right, and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to YouTube tags, you definitely want to make sure that you're implementing this. You got to make sure that you're adding tags to every single video that you upload on YouTube. So in case you don't know what tags mean, it's another word for keywords. So if I'm going to do a weight loss video, I want to make certain that I have the word weight loss in my title, and then I also want to make sure that I have the word weight loss in the tags description or the tags section of my upload. So when you upload a video onto YouTube, there's a section beneath the title and beneath the description box entitled tags. This is where you put more keywords that are similar to the video that you're uploading. Now, this is very important because YouTube tags actually enables you to get more views. It actually allows you to get in a position where YouTube can rank your video or categorize your video properly so that it can put the video in front of viewers that's interested in the particular keyword or keywords that you're targeting. So if you're doing a weight loss video, once again, you want to make sure that you include weight loss in the title and definitely in the description and also in the tags section of the upload when you're uploading your video. So what I'm going to do for this portion of the video is I'm going to jump on the computer and show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to actually show you some of my tags that I use for one of my other channels, which is How to Build Credit TV, and it's about credit cards, of course. So I'll show you how the tags work and how important this information is and how all of this kind of works together to benefit you, which will get you more views, and views normally leads to subscribers. So bear with me 1 second and I'll see you over on my laptop. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm logged into my account for How to Build Credit TV for that particular channel, which I did start before this channel. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show you guys how important YouTube tags are. So I'll click on this first video here, Citibank Secured Credit Card. And of course, as you can see here in this section of the website, you can see here, this is your title section. This is your video description section here, which you definitely want to include your keywords as well. And then below both of those sections is the YouTube tag section. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of tags here, and you can put up to 500 characters for your YouTube tags, and I would encourage you to do so. Definitely want to include as many keywords as possible or YouTube tags that you can so that your videos can be ranked properly. So the title of my video is Citibank Secured Credit Card. So as you can see here, I have Citibank Secured Credit Card as the first YouTube tag, and then I have Citi Secured Credit Card there, then I have Citi Secured Credit Card, then I have Citibank, then I have Citibank Credit Card, Citibank MasterCard, Citibank Secured MasterCard, Secured Credit Card. So obviously all of these tags here are going to be keywords that are similar to what it is I would like to get the video discovered for. So the video is about, like I said, Citibank Secured Credit Card. What I do like about the keyword research tool that I use, which is vidIQ, I use the paid version. Of course, you can use the free version. It's no cost to you. It will be limited, but that's fine. Okay, so just getting started on YouTube, it doesn't matter. Just download the vidIQ. It's I have the link in the description below, so you can download that for free. But what I like about it is they show you where your videos rank. So for this particular keyword, this video is ranking #1. This particular keyword, the video is ranking #1, and it's really cool, and it's actually pretty accurate. I'll show you guys here. I'll pull up YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and search for Citibank Secured Credit Card here and just kind of show you. So as you can see here, this video is ranking. This is me. This video is ranking as #1. Look, this is another video of mine right here as well, which this is not even the same keyword. This is just, this video is titled Best Secured Credit Card. So tags, YouTube tags are super important. Let me go ahead and go back and show you guys another video. I wanted to show you guys 2 examples here, so bear with me 1 second as I do that. So I'm in my video manager section of my YouTube account, and I'm going to show you another video. I'm going to show you a video. Let me show you the Capital One video. So This one right here, Capital One Platinum MasterCard. So I click on Edit so I can show you guys that. And we'll just scroll right down to the tags section of the video. And so as you can see here, these are all my tags, right? So yours is going to look a little different if you don't have vidIQ, but if you do have vidIQ, it will show you, especially on the free version, it'll show you the first couple of keywords and what the overall score is. So once again, this shows you where this video is ranked. So for this keyword, Capital One Platinum, it's ranked #1. For this keyword, Capital One, this video is ranked #4. For this keyword, Capital One Platinum MasterCard, it's ranked #1. I really like that vidIQ shows you where your keywords are ranked. And as you can see here, my keywords has a lot to do with Capital One because the title of the video is Capital One Platinum MasterCard. So if I go to YouTube and I type that in, you're going to see that that video should be ranked #1. Sorry, I'm kind of one-hand typing here. Capital One Platinum MasterCard. So let's click on that. And as you can see here, this is my video ranked #1. It takes a while before you get to be ranked #1. You're not just going to be ranked #1 automatically unless there are no videos at all. But as you can see here, this video has been here just 1 month. This video has been uploaded 2 years ago, okay? 2 years ago, I've outranked a video that's been here 2 years ago. Look how many views he has. He has 123,000 views. There's another video here that's been up here 1 year, 44,000 views. So if you do your research correctly and you include your keyword in your title, your keyword in your description, and more importantly, your keyword in your YouTube tag section of the video, then it would be to your benefit to do that, and it can work out in your favor. So I just wanted to show you guys the importance of, once again, YouTube tags. Thanks for watching this section of the video. I'll see you back in just 1 second. Thanks for watching this video about YouTube tags. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so as well. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.